नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम्। ओम नित्यानंद। गुरु परंपरा। I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Nityananda E-Gurukul students, Kailasas, NHU students, especially the Leela Dhyana Yoga program participants, and all those watching us live on Kailasas Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Kailasa TV, Kailasas Hinduism Now TV, Kailasas Enlighten App, Twitter, and Kailasas Nayanadiksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, 10th day of the Vijayotsavam, Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti and Kalabhairava Swami are gracing in Sarva Alankara, in Rajata Simha Vahana, Bhuta Vahana, in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetham. Also, today is the holy festival. Bhagavan Sri Krishna is gracing in the Rajata Sesha Vahanam. Let's receive their blessings now.
Om धूरसिधूर्वधूर्वन्तन्धूर्वतञ्यो ओस्मान् धूर्वतितन्धूर्वयं वयं धूर्वामस्तन् देवानामसिषष्टितमं पप्रितमं जुष्टतमं वह्नितमं देवहूतममहृतमसि हविर्धानन्दरिंहत्वमाह्वा आर्मित्रस्य त्वाचक्षा प्रेक्षेमाभिर्मातुमिक्षा मात्वाहि वृक्षम्। ओम श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्त्यै नमः। ओम श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव कालभैरवाय नमः। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। धूपमाग्रापयामि। ओम उद्दीप्यस्वजात वेदो भग्नन् निरृतिं मम पशुकिष्टमख्यमावह जीवनं जनितोच्च मानोऽति जात वेदो कामश्वं पुण्यं जगत् अभिभ्रदग्न आगतिह्या मा परिपालय। ओम श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्त्यै नमः। ओम श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव कालभैरवाय नमः। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। एकहारतीदीपं सन्दर्शयामि। ओम अमृते अमृतोत्सवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। ओम श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्त्यै नमः। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव कालभैरवाय नमः। नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। वेदनानन्तरम् आचमनं समर्पयामि। सर्वस्याप्त्यै सर्वस्यजित्यै सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरि नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। शरणागतदीनार्तपरित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यास्ति हरे देवी नारायण नमोस्तुते। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति नमः। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव कालभैरवाय नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वोपचार पूजार्थे सर्वापराध क्षमापणार्थे समस्त मंगल प्राप्त्यर्थे महामंगल नीराजनं संदर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि। अङ्गनामन्तरे माधवो माधवं माधवं चान्तरेणाङ्गना इत्थमा कल्पिते मण्डले मध्यगज्जगौ वेणुना देवकी नन्दनः एकिकेकादृतानेकपङ्क्तेरुहालिङ्गतं हतावली हृद्यता हृद्यता संसवं चावटीकाहदावानलक्ष्मञ्जगौ वेणुना देवकी नन्दनः स्वापि वीणाभिराराविणा कम्पितः स्वापि वीणाभिराङ्किङ्किणीनर्पितः स्वापि वीणाभिरामन्तरं स्वापि तत्पञ्चगौ वेणुना देवकी नन्दनः। दूरदिपूर्वदूर्वस्तत्पूर्वदीयोऽस्मान् दूर्वदितर्भूर्वयं वयं पूर्वामस्मिन् देवानां चिरस्थितमं पप्पितमनुष्ठितमं मन्दितमं देवभूतममस्तमच्चिततीर्थानन्दमात्मा आज्ञप्रत्यस्वा चक्षुषा प्रेक्षेमाभिर्मा संयुक्ता मात्पाहिमुखम्। ॐ श्री भगवते श्रीकृष्णाय नमः। धूपमाग्रापयामि। ओम मुक्तिजातवेदो भक्तनिर्वृतिं मम पशुभिस्तमह्यमावह जीवनं च विशोच मानो हि कुन्ती जातवेदो कामश्वं पुरुषं जगत् अभिप्रदक्ष आख्यामा परिपातय। ओम श्री भगवते श्रीकृष्णाय नमः। एकहारतीदीपं संदर्शयामि। ओम मधुवातारतायते मधुकरन्ति सिन्धवः माध्वीर्णसन्तोषधीः मधुरक्तमुदोषधि मधुमत्मार्गजः मधुद्यौरस्तुनः पिता मधुमान्नो वनस्पतिर्मधुमान् मधुसूर्यः माध्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः मधु मधु मधु। ॐ श्री भगवते श्रीकृष्णाय नमः। नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। वेदनानन्तरम् आचमनं समर्पयामि। सोमो वा एतस्य राज्यमादत्ते यो राजा सन् राज्यो वा सोमेन यजते देवत्वामेतानि हस्तीकुंषि भवन्ति य एतावन्तो वै देवानागं सभाः स एवास्मि सभान् प्रयच्छन्ति स एनं पुनस्त्वन्ते राज्याय देवतु राजा भवति। ओम श्री भगवते श्रीकृष्णाय नमः। ओम श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वोपचार पूजार्थे सर्वापराध क्षमापणार्थे समस्त मंगल प्राप्त्यर्थे महामंगल नीराजनं संदर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि।
Message directly from Sri Kailasa. Listen. Tyaga, liberates you from most powerful, logically convincing, justifying delusions. Understand? There are some delusions about which you are so convinced logically, and that delusion has justified its existence to you in such absolute convincing way, you even forgot it's a delusion you assumed. In Agama, it is described as Pasa. In Vedanta, it is described as Maya. In various sampradayas, different words are used. The delusions which has convinced you about the necessity of its existence and the delusions which makes you feel, listen carefully, the delusions which makes you feel your very core existence needs those delusions for survival. For example, you have been convinced very logically, systematically by the society you are only body. I am not saying you are not body, but I am only against the idea you thinking you are only body. I am 100% supporting you keeping your body well, happy, healthy. I am not against body. I am only asking you to awaken, realize your conscious principle, Atma Tattva. And I tell you, beyond the logic of mind, there is something called consciousness in you. Mind is actually multiple interferences and inferences on consciousness by earth, water, fire, air, space elements. A strong unconscious patterns, even knowingly you are not able to break, is the interference and inferences of earth element on your consciousness. Fluid mood swings. You yourself know, if I take a cup of coffee and rest, this mood will go away, I'll be better. Those fluid mood swings are water elements, interference and inference on your conscious element. Intense emotional burst, which not only others will not be able to trust, even you will not believe it. In that emotional burst, the statements you make, actions you do, the decisions you make, even you will not stand by it. That is the fire element's interference and inference on your conscious element, Atma Tattva. Absolute dullness is the air element's interference and inference on your Atma Tattva. Extreme boredom and suicidal, doesn't like anything, doesn't want to exist, somehow want to run away somewhere, hide somewhere, and even there, after that, what to do? And just disappear. Absolute life negative is the air element's interference and inference on your consciousness. Understand? Mind itself is the interference and inference of these 5 elements on your consciousness. Tyaga is the most sweetest, powerful. Yesterday I was using the word cunning, because you always like very cunning strategies. Because of that I use the word cunning. Tyaga is the most powerful strategy to liberate yourself from all these 5 interferences and inferences and the other interferences and inferences which I have said and said. Tyaga is like a bulldozing all your delusion, putting the forest fire for all your delusion, nuclear explosion on all your delusion. Understand? Life is all about your ability to cognize the higher ideals and your ability to do tyaga for that higher ideals and your ability to be committed to that higher ideals. Life is all about that. And the highest is in you as conscious blueprint. Paramashiva. Your ability to cognize it, your ability to do tyaga for it, and your ability to stand for it. Understand? Conscious tyaga. Nothing but absolute conscious tyaga can manifest what you want. Conscious tyaga is equivalent to million times completing it. Because with completion, you tend to make even completion as a one more pattern and grab your incompletions back. With the tyaga, not only you burn the bridge, you burn that side, this side, bridge, everything. Burning the bridges with the past is tyaga. I should say, not only burning the bridges, burning the past itself is tyaga. Understand? The intensity intensity with which you are awakening your existence. You are awakening your existence. Intensity with which you are awakening your existence. With that same intensity, I should say even million times more intensity, Paramashiva manifests through you. Again, I want to repeat, Tyaga invokes the love of Paramashiva towards you. Tyaga is like just removing a brick from a dam, removing one stone from a dam. It's not that you are going to get the benefit of just one stone level water. No. The whole dam is going to collapse and the whole thing is going to gush on you, shower on you. The good thing is you are not going to die in that flood. You are going to celebrate it because you are going to become one with it. Tyaga is just like removing one stone. And Paramashiva floods. Paramashiva just floods himself on you. I tell you. Cognizing Tyaga is equivalent to $100 billion lottery. Starting to practice Tyaga is like $1 billion lottery. You tasting the love for Tyaga is like $1 trillion lottery. Because when I started tasting the love for Tyaga, all the best things have started happening in my life. All the best things. Knowledge, state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, Sri Kailasa of Paramashiva, everything. State of Paramashiva started manifesting. The space of Paramashiva started manifesting. Being of Paramashiva started manifesting. Superconsciousness of Paramashiva started manifesting. Powers of Paramashiva started manifesting. I tell you. Tyaga is the powerful cognition for all superpowers. All superpowers. Tyaga is the powerful cognition for all superpowers. Actually, through Tyaga, I am preparing all of you for Paramashiva's being to manifest. I am raising the whole Sangha to the next level manifestation. See the completion, science, and all these were step by step taking you to the next level. For example, unclutching, Nirvikalpa Samadhi, the whole science which I was teaching, Anandagandha, ASP, NSP, Healers Initiation, Bhakti Spurana, the first 10 years of my life, 2000 to 2010, whole thing is for the state of Paramashiva. First 10 years, I did thorough groundwork on helping millions to manifest the state of Paramashiva by going to village and teaching unclutching initiations, Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Then next, science of completion, integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, completion. This whole science is the space of Paramashiva, to manifest the space of Paramashiva. Then, the science of oneness, to manifest the powers of Paramashiva. Now, the science of Tyaga, to manifest the being of Paramashiva. Understand? Being of Paramashiva is billion times bigger than any power manifestation. Any power manifestation. Especially now Paramashiva has done a beautiful acid washing of the whole Sangha. The pure beings are ready, evolving. Pure beings are ready, evolving. For manifesting the being of Paramashiva. To manifest the being I can see clearly why people are going crazy with bliss in Tiruvannamalai, that Lila Dhyana Yoga program, because the intensity of the whole manifestation is in the next level. Now I am giving the new name for the program, called Oneness with the Avatar. This will be the new name for the program. From this batch, Oneness with the Avatar. And I am opening the doors wide for the people to attend. This is going to be too extraordinary, intensely. You are literally going to manifest the being of Paramashiva. The Oneness with the Avatar program is all about initiating you into manifesting the being of Paramashiva. so many people all over the world want to come and experience the Oneness with Avatar program. It's actually getting overbooked. I am opening the doors of the Oneness with Avatar program two more ways. One, anybody who has done even one Pada Puja once can just pay the remaining amount and attend the program. If you have done Pada Puja even once and you are initiated, means even if you do Pada Puja once, you naturally automatically get initiated. Because I wanted to open the doors wide open. I want thousands and thousands of you to experience oneness with the Avatar, and because I know this initiation is going to be making you start manifesting the being of Paramashiva. Not only I am making the program into 11 days, opening the doors widely. If you have done inner awakening even once and you are still connected, prove that you are still connected by casting one more person. You are free. You are welcome to be a guest for the Oneness with Avatar program. I am opening two doors because I want thousands and thousands of you to come and enjoy the Oneness with the Avatar, the intensity. Understand, I tell you, in Thiruvannamalai, you are literally in my physical presence. Arunachala Hill is physical Guru. I am only restricting the number of participants, only 200 per batch. Every month you will have a batch. You can start registering, first come, first served. Only 200 per batch, because we may not be able to handle more than 200 in Thiruvannamalai Ashram. So 200 only per batch. The program will be bilingual. I can say that multilingual practically, because the translation is made available. The initiation is happening for you to manifest the being of Paramashiva, Tyaga. This whole intense, powerful cognitions about the Tyaga is getting manifested. The whole powerful cognitions about Tyaga is happening. to make you all manifest the being of Paramashiva. Intensity of Tyaga. Understand? You need to know Tyaga is superpower, nuclear, strong force of the consciousness. I am literally radiating that very superpower Tyaga now with the grace of Paramashiva, manifesting the superpower of Tyaga now in all of you. With the grace of Paramashiva, I'll connect all of us with Paramashiva now. Just pick up your Atmalinga, keep it on your Sahasrara Chakra, top of the head, and hold it with both your hands and sit. Now, I'll connect you with Paramashiva by the grace of Paramashiva.
God राष्ट्रकम् इदं प्रोक्तं विप्रेण हरतोऽसये ये पठन्ति नरभक्त्या तेषां शम्भो